This video covers, it's number 3 for week 10, and it covers slides 15 to I think about slide 19, which is why create a resume, what is a resume, the guidelines for this assignment, and what to put in the contact information section. So I hope that you have the PowerPoint open as you're watching this video, and you can pause this video and click on the hypertext links to learn a little bit more about the importance of a video, how it's used by HR to find a match for a job vacancy, and why it's important to really target your resume to a specific job and not just have a generic resume that you send out for all of the jobs that you apply to. So most of you are probably familiar that there's 3 types of resumes, of ways of laying out the information in your resume. Learn a little bit more by clicking this link. And again, you need that lynda.com access. So you can access it through the Oshawa Public Library because we no longer have access to lynda.com at the college. So let's begin by opening up a blank document if you don't have a resume, or opening up the one that you already have. You can adjust it, change it, modify it a little bit so it meets the requirements of this assignment. So your contact information, make sure you look at the end of the assignment. You'll see that I have a checklist, so it's either there or it's not there. So if you want the marks, make sure you include this information. Remember that I'm looking for a name, a location, contact number, contact email, a professional one. Use your DC mail if you want, and a personalized LinkedIn URL. So if you're not sure how to do that, look back, I think it's in week 2 when we talked about LinkedIn, and I explained how to create a personalized URL. This video gives you some further information about if you're not sure about the location, what to put in there, especially if you're out of country or you're planning to move or you want to show that you're looking forward to relocating. Okay, so I'm going to finish up this video now, and then we'll start at slide 20 to continue down about your career objective.